Day 9, the simplicity of moving in the morning can elevate everything about your day. This is the idea today. What would I do if I was actually just brewing my coffee in the morning? I just want to get some movement in. I'd have my counter. This would be my counter. What would I do? Right along with me. Let's move our bodies. We're just building the discipline and consistency of moving every day. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, so back's a little tight first thing in the morning. Well, yeah, a little twist. Okay, I'm just going about my morning in the kitchen. Just need some simple movement. Okay, that's good. Can I maybe just couple squats? Maybe it'd be like this just to start. Probably leg swings. Any one of these exercises, any one of these movements, you can incorporate into your day at any point. It's going to make a huge difference. Other side, I really want to get the point across of just to move, particularly first thing in the morning. Just sets us up for our entire day. You know, maybe I'm getting a little balance in there. First thing, it's like no balance first thing. The kitchen coffees, well, I'd probably just really intentional, stiff. I gradually can pick up the pace if I like. I don't know about you, but I find it even difficult to sit comfortably first thing in the morning. A little bit of stiffness. If you're having that nice warm drink or whatever you do first thing as your morning ritual, sure is nice to sit there comfortable in this consistent movement every morning. I believe will get you to the point of you can have a seat, you can do things with so much more comfort. Oh, definitely stretch out a bit. Moving the whole body, increasing our mobility. There's great teachers out there talking all about exercise science and zone 2. These things are great, there's no question. If you're training for events and if you're a top athlete, for the most of us, I think we just want to feel good. To feel good, we just got to move. Find the things that work best for you. Probably I'm standing at the counter, been moving a bit. Now that things are a little loose, my old standby. Oh yeah. Ooh. I love everything about this move. It just feels good. And then if you can just add a little skip to it. You ever see a kid running around skipping? Look on their face. You cannot be unhappy when you're skipping. Maybe take us back to that. Childlike. The more childlike we can be, not childish, childlike. The better life is. Oh, it's good to have a laugh. Well, my mood is elevated already, incredibly. Okay, I would definitely, if you have a chair with you, Now that things are a little bit loose, sort of this stretch anytime, any place, this one I find to be just incredible. Stretch out the shoulders and then, come up when you need to. Stretching out the back of the legs. You can bend your knees if that's more comfortable. Sink down, just come up. How about that? That's nice, eh? And then you can sort of drive the knee up a bit. Feeling it. Don't need the chair by any means, but just stand at the counter, get your phone propped up and do this little morning session. Every time I say exercise, you can comment, don't say exercise. I think that's a failed word. It's just about movement. We just want to move our bodies. I think of exercise as somebody, in a gym running on a treadmill. If that's your thing and you enjoy that, by all means, of course. But when we have a purpose, when we're just moving in the morning to boost our mood and elevate our energy, that purpose seems to, for me, drives you. Oh, I'm really starting to feel good. Coffee's just about ready to go. I'm going to think about my day, how I'm going to be productive, how I'm going to be positive, and I just start moving. Think about Rocky Balboa. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, how we're going to move through our day with joy and awe. The beauty of everything that surrounds us. We live in an exceptional universe. We are so fortunate. Oh yeah, a little bit of gratitude for these amazing legs, ours, these arms. Maybe we send a little bit of gratitude to our spleen. How often do we think about that? I don't even know what it does. Get a little idea, but. Oh yeah, let's just move a bit here. Oh, really warming the body up. I think I can. A little engine that could. Oh, it all comes back to children's stories, being childlike. It's good to be alive. Shake it out. Ta-da. That's it. Simple movement. Stay consistent, stay disciplined. Comment, job done. It does inspire others, keeps you accountable. That's it. Accountability. Keep showing up for yourself. Let's make this the greatest day ever. Best day ever. If you're done, you're done. Just occurred to me, we didn't do any breathing exercise. We got to stop for a moment. If you're ready to join me still, mistakes. It's okay. Let's do mountain pose again, like yesterday. Just come here, take a breath, and just focus on this moment. Be here now. The mind wanders off. Come back. The mind wanders. Bring it back. That's the exercise. If you were in the gym and you're doing bicep curls, every one of those, that's an exercise. That's the movement right there. The mind wanders and we bring it back. That's the exercise. That's the practice. Every time you can bring it back, you bring a little bit more consciousness into your life, a little bit more awareness. Just be. Notice the sensations in your body. Just be present. Maybe shout out a bit of gratitude, of thanks to something, someone in your life that just elevates you. even to yourself. Why don't you congratulate, be thankful to yourself for showing up again today. Thank you. Wouldn't be doing it without you. I feel exceptionally happy. Even though I just got it wrong. Embrace the mistakes. It's all good. Have a great day. I'll see you for day 10. Goodbye.